Hey everyone, welcome back, and for this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the Leonardo AI PhotoReal feature. So to start, we first need our Leonardo website, so this is where I am currently at, and then we just click on the PhotoReal feature. Now because my trial account has expired, a pop-up will appear, but I will just close it. Now what we need to do is to check this PhotoReal option. Unfortunately, it is only for paid accounts, so we will be doing the alternative. To do the alternative, we just have to click on this drop down right here and then click on Absolute Reality. This is the best that we can do with our free account, so we just start by generating our image based on the prompt. So we just wait while it loads up the results, and now we have our alternative PhotoReal. As you can see, it is exactly just like the prompt that we did. A girl in the forest, a model has blonde hair in a vibrant forest. But what you can notice here is that the faces look just a little bit too similar to each other. Right now we are going to change up the prompt to add a Miami location wearing bikini, standing on the beach, and has an attractive body. So here are the results. As you can see, it looks very much like a real photo from a real camera. This feature is like very good at doing this. PhotoReal alternative. You can generate your own PhotoReal photos by adding your own prompts. It really depends on you. But now to check on the potential of this feature, let me go back to my home screen and go to the PhotoReal. You can see here what can be done with this feature. It's really good. You just need the correct prompts. I mean, just look at this lady with the horns. Even I can't believe that this was done using AI. So to do that, just click on the generate model. But again, you will need to upgrade your account to a premium one before you can access the PhotoReal feature. What we did just now is really just an alternative that still produces really good results. And that is how easy it is to generate photorealistic images on Leonardo AI. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that bell button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.